Welcome to Southern Cross University Student Learning Zone. Here we support our students' development of academic literacy, numeracy and integrity, as well as self-management, learning strategies, referencing and critical thinking skills. The Student Learning Zone has a number of options to support your coursework study, including workshops, academic integrity support and Grammarly. Our quick guides offer guidance for preparation, writing and the study skills necessary to be successful at university. These guides cover over 100 topics and assignment types to help you with your studies. We also have a range of introductory modules for many topics in mathematics and science. Our how-to videos can help with referencing styles, and our Turnitin and academic integrity modules can help you develop critical thinking and academic writing practices that will ensure success in higher education. The SCU Study Hub is an essential online resource developed in collaboration with the library to support students in their study and to engage students in self-directed interactive learning. The Student Learning Zone also runs online academic skills workshops on a wide range of topics. Students can register for workshops online and also access the recordings of previous workshops. The PALS and SCU Mates peer programs assist students in adapting to student life and university culture. The PALS program is a free academic peer-to-peer support program where highly successful students help first-year students by sharing their study strategies in a unit they've already completed. You can also request an SCU Mate mentor who uses their own student experience to assist you with your transition to university. The Student Learning Zone is here to help you succeed in your university life. You can contact us via email at learningzone@scu.edu.au, call on 1800 724 357 or log in via our webpage for all your student support needs. We look forward to seeing you throughout your time at SCU.